Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create outlines for your documents in Kilonotes. Just open the app and go to the document you'd like to work with, and in the top left corner you can find this button we need. So we now see the pages, but go to the outline section and tap to create a title. I will say R2, like second language. Select this heading level and set page numbers for linked pages. I will go with link current page, confirm. So now you can see that there's R2, but I would like to create another. So I click here and say that I need L1. Okay, so let's start it again. L1, and I select the heading level H2 and link to, let's say, 10th page, confirm. And here you can see L2 and L1 right now, and if I click on L1, then the document goes to the page 10. So you can create even more of them by clicking on this plus sign here, and hope it will be useful for you.